Ever wondered what the most luxurious yachts in the world look like? Well, wonder no more. Today we're setting sail on an adventure into the world of lavish living, exploring some of the most opulent yachts to grace the seven seas. From the grandeur of their design to the decadence of their amenities, these floating palaces are nothing short of breathtaking. We'll be counting down from the least to the most luxurious, giving you an exclusive look into the epitome of maritime extravagance. Our selection criteria, well, that's a mix of size, design, amenities, and of course, cost. We're talking about colossal vessels that boast everything from helipads to movie theaters, from infinity pools to gold-plated fixtures. These are not just yachts, they are statements of wealth and power, embodiments of a lifestyle few can imagine. Get ready to embark on a journey through opulence and grandeur as we dive into the world of the most luxurious yachts. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Rising Sun. Basking in the glory of its name, the Rising Sun, a true titan of the seas, is a spectacle to behold. With a length of 453 feet, it's not just a yacht but a floating mansion, a testament to human ingenuity and the epitome of luxury. Created by the esteemed German shipbuilder Lürsen and designed by the late John Bannenberg, a visionary in yacht design, the Rising Sun is a harmonious blend of elegance and power. This floating palace is reportedly worth over $200 million. Yes, you heard that right. It's a staggering figure, but one that's justified when you consider what this vessel brings to the table. Its sleek design is not just for show. It offers a smooth sailing experience, even in rough waters. But let's get inside, where the magic really happens. The Rising Sun can comfortably accommodate up to 16 guests in its 8 luxurious staterooms, each one a masterpiece of design, comfort, and technology. Its amenities include a cinema, a wine cellar, and a gym that transforms into a disco. It even has a basketball court on the main deck, a feature that is as extravagant as it is unique. The list of notable figures who have stepped foot on this yacht is long and distinguished. The Rising Sun was initially co-owned by Oracle CEO Larry Ellison and media mogul David Geffen. It has hosted many famous personalities from Leonardo DiCaprio to Barack Obama, adding to its allure and prestige. But it's not just the size, the cost, or even the celebrity guests that make the Rising Sun extraordinary. It's the attention to detail, the commitment to luxury and comfort, and an unerring dedication to quality that truly set it apart. The Rising Sun surely sets a high bar for luxury, but our list is just getting started. Coming in at number 4, we have the Dubai. The Dubai, a floating paradise that truly encapsulates the essence of luxury. This mega yacht is no ordinary vessel. It's a spectacle of craftsmanship and opulence, a testament to human ingenuity and design prowess. The Dubai is not just a yacht, it's a world unto itself, a self-contained utopia on the sea. Let's first talk about the size. The Dubai stands tall at a staggering 162 meters. That's over 500 feet. It's like a skyscraper turned on its side, gliding through the ocean. The enormity of the Dubai is a sight to behold, one that commands respect and admiration. Now onto the cost. This floating wonder didn't come cheap, with a price tag of a whopping $400 million. The Dubai is one of the most expensive yachts ever built. But when you see what's inside, you'll understand why. The interior design of the Dubai is like stepping into a dream. It boasts opulent suites, a grand staircase, a mosaic swimming pool, and even a helipad. Every single inch of this yacht screams luxury. The attention to detail is astounding, from the gold leaf ceilings to the handmade mosaics. But what truly sets the Dubai apart are its unique features. It has a submarine garage, a disco hall, and a cinema, among other things. This yacht is more than a luxurious way to travel. It's a destination in itself. Over the years, the Dubai has played host to several notable guests. It's said that the yacht is often used by the royal family of Dubai and has seen many high-profile visitors from around the world. The Dubai is a testament to the limitless possibilities of luxury. But we're not done yet. Stay tuned as we continue our journey into the world of the most extravagant yachts on the planet. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is the Streets of Monaco. This isn't your typical yacht. It's a floating representation of the glamorous city-state from which it takes its name. It's a testament to luxury, opulence, and the power of human creativity. The Streets of Monaco spans a staggering 750 feet, making it one of the largest private yachts on the seas. It's not just about size, though. This yacht is an ode to the finest things in life, and it comes with a price tag to match. Costing over $1 billion, the Streets of Monaco is a playground for the world's most affluent. The design of this yacht is a marvel in itself. It mirrors the most iconic landmarks of Monaco, such as the Monte Carlo Casino, the Grand Prix Circuit, and the Hôtel de Paris. It's like stepping into a miniaturized version of the city, except you're surrounded by the endless expanse of the sea. The features of the Streets of Monaco are as extravagant as the city it represents. There's a go-kart racetrack for those with a need for speed, a mini submarine for underwater exploration, and a helipad for guests who prefer to arrive in style. The yacht also houses 7 guest suites, each with a private balcony, a dressing room, and a bathroom that could rival any 5-star hotel. Notable guests? Well, the list is as exclusive as it is impressive. From movie stars and musicians to royalty and business magnates, the Streets of Monaco has played host to some of the world's most influential personalities. The yacht is more than just a vessel, it's a symbol of status, a statement of wealth and power. Interesting fact? Well, the yacht swimming pool is designed to mimic the deep blue of the Mediterranean, complete with sandy bottom. So while you're lounging on deck, you can gaze into the pool and feel like you're staring into the heart of the sea itself. The Streets of Monaco might be a floating city, but we have 2 more yachts that take luxury to a whole new level. In second place, we have the Eclipse. This floating palace, a true epitome of luxury and opulence, is aptly named the Eclipse. It's not just a name, it's a statement, a testament to its grandeur and magnificence. The Eclipse, at 533 feet, is the second largest private yacht in the world. Its sheer size is a sight to behold. But it's the price tag that truly takes your breath away. With a staggering cost of over $1.5 billion, the Eclipse is a symbol of ultimate extravagance. The design, as you might expect, is nothing short of spectacular. Conceived by the renowned shipbuilder Blohm and Voss of Hamburg, every inch of this vessel screams luxury. It boasts an exterior design by Terence Disdale, who has managed to create a perfect blend of elegance and functionality. The interiors, too, are an exhibition of grandeur, with a palette of rich textures and colors, and an array of bespoke furniture and fittings. The Eclipse is not just about size and design, it's also about features, and boy does it have features. For starters, it has 2 helicopter pads, a disco hall, and a cinema, but that's not all. It also has a mini submarine that can submerge up to 50 meters underwater. And let's not forget the 24 guest cabins, each with its own private balcony and a master suite that's armor-plated and fitted with bulletproof windows. The Eclipse has had its fair share of interesting stories and notable guests. It is owned by Russian billionaire Roman Abramovich, and has played host to a multitude of celebrities and high-profile individuals. There are tales of extravagant parties, secret meetings, and unforgettable experiences. The Eclipse might be second on our list, but it's second to none in terms of luxury. However, there's one more yacht that surpasses even this. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The most luxurious yacht in the world is the Azzam. The Azzam, a marvel of maritime engineering, stands tall as the crowning glory in the world of luxury yachts. The epitome of opulence, this colossal vessel stretches an impressive 180 meters, making it the largest private yacht in the world. That's longer than 2 football fields end to end. When it comes to cost, the Azzam pulls out all the stops. Its estimated price tag? A jaw-dropping $600 million. That's more than the GDP of some small countries. Crafted over a span of 4 years in Germany, it's a testament to the heights of human ingenuity and the depths of our desire for luxury. The design of the Azzam is a blend of technology and artistry, a marriage of form and function. Her sleek, elegant lines are the work of Italian naval architect Mario Pedol, while the sumptuous interiors are the brainchild of French designer Christophe Léonie. The result is a floating masterpiece that's as beautiful as it is powerful. But what's inside this floating palace? Well, it's filled to the brim with every amenity you could dream of. The Azzam boasts a saloon spanning almost 30 meters without any pillars or supports, offering an unobstructed view of your surroundings. A submarine and a missile defense system are among the other uncommon features on board. Yes, you heard that right, a missile defense system. Because when you're sailing on the world's most luxurious yacht, why settle for anything less? Over the years, the Azzam has played host to an array of high-profile guests. From royalty to billionaires, it's a vessel that's no stranger to the world's elite. It's not just a mode of transport, but a symbol of status, a testament to the pinnacle of wealth and luxury. The Azzam truly embodies the epitome of luxury. It's not just a yacht, it's a floating palace. So there you have it, the most luxurious yachts in the world. We've traveled the high seas of luxury together, exploring the grandeur of these floating palaces. We began our journey with the Rising Sun, a yacht that illuminates the world of luxury with its sheer size and splendor. It boasts an impressive 82 rooms, a basketball court, and a wine cellar that would make any connoisseur green with envy. We then set sail to the Dubai, a floating city that encapsulates the spirit of its namesake. With its opulent interiors and awe-inspiring exteriors, it is a testament to the limitless boundaries of luxury. Our voyage then took us to the Streets of Monaco, a yacht that brings the charm of the iconic city-state to the open seas. With its miniature Grand Prix track and replicas of the famous Monte Carlo casino, it is a playground for the wealthy and adventurous. We glided into the world of the Eclipse, the second largest yacht on our list and a spectacle of modern design and technology. From its 2 swimming pools to its mini-submarine, it's a yacht that truly eclipses the ordinary. Finally, we arrived at the Azzam, the pinnacle of our journey. As the largest private yacht in the world, it is a marvel of engineering and a symbol of unmatched luxury. Its length alone is a staggering 180 meters, making it a behemoth of the seas. Each of these yachts offers more than just a taste of luxury. They provide an experience that transcends the ordinary. They embody the dreams of their owners and stand as monuments to human ingenuity and the pursuit of the extraordinary. These yachts are more than just boats. They are a statement of luxury and opulence. Until next time, keep dreaming big.